Meerkats. These chatty creatures spend most of their waking hours digging for insects and grubs. But with their heads buried in the sand, it's impossible to spot danger. So meerkats have evolved an ingenious alarm system. Their squeaks may sound simple, but slowing them down reveals different chirps made without moving their mouths. Allows them to alert each other to specific predators. A martial eagle, Africa's largest bird of prey, this young male is on lookout duty. He spent 6 months learning meerkat language and must now use it to let his family know what's going on around them. A Cape cobra. Its venom could kill a meerkat. The lookout barks. The snake warning. But surprisingly, the family doesn't run away from the threat. They run towards it. By continuing to call, more and more join the assault. Safely seen off. And once again, the lookout gives the all clear. But scientists are discovering meerkat language is far more complex than just identifying different predators. Amazingly, they can also communicate the urgency of a threat. A medium urgency alarm. No need to panic, but everyone in earshot now stops. Finally, the high alert call. Everyone makes a dash for the burrow. Today, the whole family lives to tell the tale. And it's all thanks to our young lookout's mastery of meerkat language.